AKVIS Sketch is software for conversion of photos into pencil sketches and watercolor drawings. Now you do not need to handle a pencil to feel like an artist. All you need to create your original work of art is good taste and AKVIS Sketch. A very simple utility that doesn't take up much space on your computer. Simple interface that even a child can handle. In the settings, you can change the language with which it will be easier for you to work. Photos can be translated into both classical and artistic drawing. Photos can be uploaded or simply drag and drop. Photo is a photo.the painted portrait is a friendly cartoon. Applying various filters and color effects of the utility please your family and friends. The utility is paid, but there is a free trial period of 10 days. During this time, master and create a large number of drawings. I have been using the program for several years now. I print drawings and frame them. This generates additional income. Download links from the official site under the video. There are also a few more programs that may be of interest. Finally, check out a small collage of what else you can do with these utilities.